Hey esteemed, welcome to ACE Academy. I'm Harini and today we'll be looking at the most important current affairs of March 27, 2021. So without much delay, let's get into the first question. So the first question is, which Indian Coast Guard ship has been commissioned in Chennai, Chief of Defence Staff? So the answer is option B, ICGS Vajra. So the Indian Coast Guard ship Vajra is the sixth offshore patrol vessel to enhance the coastal security, was formally commissioned into service in Chennai. Then moving on to the next question. So the second question is, what is the rank of India in the International Intellectual Property Index 2021 released by the US Chamber of Commerce Global Innovation Policy Center? So the answer is option A, 40. So India has been ranked 40th among the 53 global economies in the International Intellectual Property Index 2021. Then moving on to the next question. So the third question is, which is the new customized savings account scheme unveiled by the Indian Overseas Bank for the millennials population in India? So the answer is option D, IOB Trendy. And the Chief Executive Officer of Indian Overseas Bank is Partha Pratham Sengupta. Then moving on to the next question. So the fourth question is, which state's tuberculosis eradication program has won national honor for reducing the prevalence of the disease through various systematic initiatives? So the answer is option B, Kerala. So Kerala's tuberculosis eradication program has won the national honor for reducing the prevalences of the disease through various systematic initiatives. Then moving on to the next question. So the fifth question is, Andaman and Nicobar gets 100% functional household tap connection coverage and becomes which UT for such coverage? So the answer is option B, first. So here the question can also be reversed and asked, so which is the first union territory to get 100% functional household tap connection coverage? So you should know the answer is Andaman and Nicobar. Then moving on to the next question. So the sixth question is, what is the title of the official song of ICC Women's World Cup 2022? So the answer is option A, Girl Gang, and it is a track by New Zealand singer Gin Wigmore. Then moving on to the next question. So the seventh question is, the Kurnool airport is recently been inaugurated in which state? So the answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh, and it was inaugurated by the Minister of State for Civil Aviation, Hardeep Singh Puri. Then moving on to the next question. So the eighth question is, which state has inaugurated e-office, e-Haley service, e-Agam, e-Lahaul for Lahaul Spiti district? So the answer is option B, Himachal Pradesh, and it was launched by the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, Jairam Thakur. Jairam Thakur. Then moving on to the next question. So the ninth question is, which small finance bank awarded with Great Place to Work certification? So the answer is option C, ESAF Small Finance Bank, and the Chief Executive Officer of ESAF Small Finance Bank is K. Paul Thomas. Then moving on to the next question. So the 10th question is, who is the author of the book My Experiments with Silence? So the answer is option D, Samir Soni. So Samir Soni is the author of the book My Experiments with Silence. Then moving on to the next question. So the 11th question is, who has been recommended by the Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde as his successor after he retires next month? So the answer is option B, N.V. Ramana. So N.V. Ramana is the successor of Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde. Then moving on to the next question. So the 12th question is, how many medals have been won by India in the 2021 Allen World Shooting Parasports Tournament? So the answer is option B, 7. So India has won 7 medals in the World Shooting Parasports Tournament. Then moving on to the next question. So the 13th question is, Earth-like clouds have been discovered on which other planet? So the answer is option C, Mars. So Curiosity rover has sent pictures and videos to NASA of Earth-like clouds passing over Mars in its atmosphere. Then moving on to the next question. So the 14th question is, a multinational exercise PABI Anti-Terror 2021 will be held in which country? So the answer is option B, Pakistan. So it is held at Pakistan's National Counter-Terrorism Center near the PABI town in Nowshera district, and the member countries taking part in the PABI Anti-Terror 2021 is Pakistan, China and India. Then moving on to the next question. So the 15th question is, a high-level interdisciplinary committee has been set up by Ayush Ministry to explore the potential of yoga as a productivity enhancing tool. Who is the chair of this committee? So the answer is option A, H.R. Nagendra. So H.R. Nagendra is the chair of this committee. Then moving on to the next question. So the 16th question is, how much the Rajasthan Universal Health Scheme will cover the medical insurance for every family? So the answer is option D, 5 lakh. So Rajasthan's Universal Health Scheme will cover the medical insurance for every family of rupees 5 lakh. Then moving on to the next question. So the 17th question is, the CSC and IEPFA mobile applications have been launched by Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. The two initiatives have been developed by which entity? So the answer is option A, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So Nirmala Sitharaman is Union Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs, and it was inaugurated by Nirmala Sitharaman, and the full form of CSC is Central Scrutiny Center, and the full form of IPFA is Investor Education and Protection Fund Authorities. Then moving on to the next question. So the 18th question is, which state's health minister Shri S. Pangufum has introduced the iLearn app? So the answer is option A, Nagaland. And iLearn application is a CHO, Community Health Officer Capacity Building and Performance Tracking app. Then moving on to the next question. So the 19th question is, what is the theme of the International Day of Remembrance of Victims of Slavery and the Transatlantic Slave Trade? So the answer is option D, Ending Slavery, Legacy of Racism, a Global Imperative for Justice. So that's it, we are done for the day, and thank you for watching our video. And if you think that we are doing good, please let us know in the comment section below. And if you have any queries, please feel free to ask us either in the comment section below, or you could also contact us in Facebook and Instagram. So meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's